Hey, we are blowing up a ton of balloons, and what saved us is this bad boy right here. This is a little balloon inflator. This is nice and purple, not too big, fits right in your hands. The cord is a little short, but I used an extension cord or just go by your outlet. That's the only negative about this, but that cord goes right in the container. You can close it right up for easy storage. It's got a nice handle. Now I'll show you how this thing works. So there's an on-off button. When you turn it on and off, it blows air through these two nozzles. Or if you have it off, if you just press the nozzle here, that will turn on the inflator. I really like using this because you can see we'll blow up a balloon. We got a big balloon right here. All I got to do, put it right on the nozzle. Boom, done. Now the traditional way of doing these, it takes forever. That takes a lot of air, and this is a really small baby one, but you can see how much quicker this thing goes. And with these smaller ones here, they do have some smaller nozzles. You just screw the smaller nozzle in. We put our smaller balloon on. Done. I'm not out of air. My lips aren't drying out. So easy. You can also blow two up at the same time. Literally seconds, these got blown up. This also comes with a couple of balloon tying devices. You just put it on your hands and then you kind of wrap the stem around and knot it. Overall, this makes blowing balloons up so much quicker. I loved using this and it's going to save your breath.